Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marty Pettiford, your Loganville, Georgia realtor, and I'm here to help you find your Georgia dream home. Today, I'm so excited to show you this gorgeous, custom 6,000 square foot home in Loganville, Georgia. I love this home. It is gated. It's on 1.7 acres. It has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 2 laundry rooms, 2 kitchens, and you have to see it. And of course, you know that I'm going to show you my favorite features of the home throughout the tour, so stay tuned for that. Let's get started. As you all know, I love to show you some of my favorite features of the homes that we tour. In this home, I love that the owner suite is on the main level, but what's even better is it is down its own private hallway. So it truly creates a separation of your entertaining space from your private space. This owner suite, even though it is on the main level, it is huge. I mean, it has 2 huge fans. It has enough space for a bed, even a sitting room, and the gorgeous ensuite bathroom. This spa-like bathroom features my current favorite tile. I love this blue. It covers the walls. Floor is gorgeous. And what's a cool feature about this that I haven't seen anywhere else is this window is actually lined in marble tile. Then the beautiful floors flow into this walk-in closet where you have customized closets. No wire racks in here. We all know that's a fan favorite. And it's enough room to have his and hers in this one room. Feature number 2 is going to be a feature that we do not see very often, and it's a scullery. What is a scullery, you might ask? It is a second kitchen. This one just so happens to have everything that your regular kitchen has. It's meant for cooking, it's meant for messes, and it's hidden. So when you're entertaining your guests, or if you have a private chef over, they can use the space back here and your front kitchen stays clean. And what I really like about this, we have the pantry with the custom shelves in it, but it leads to the garage, which is very handy when you're bringing your groceries in. You can bring them straight from the garage right into the pantry. Scullery area, top tier. This next feature is one of my favorites. It is very popular right now, and it's the pivot door. As you can see, it's a large door. It opens up very wide. It's very good if you're receiving large deliveries or you're moving in furniture. And I love the fact that it's heavy, so it feels more secure. It's expensive, so if you see one of these in a home, just know that that builder put a quality item in that home. So as you can see, this is a beautiful home with great finishes. The builder really did an excellent job when selecting the upgrades in here. They also have other builds in the area that's also available. So if you're interested in this particular builder or this exact model, I have a great relationship with them and they're very easy to work with. So give me a call and let's make something happen.